Well, the results are in. Main Street buyers like you and I have spoken. And what do we think the top metals for 2020 are going to be? Stick around through this video to find out. Welcome back, guys. I'm IndyXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and this is the morning market wake-up call for Monday, December 28th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great holiday season. I know my holiday season went pretty well. Brother and sister-in-law and their kids were in town, and we had a great time the last few days before they had to head on back to Washington, D.C. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets and see where we're starting this week off at. Gold is steady, currently at $1883.24. Silver is up, but it has come down from its highs earlier this morning. It's currently at $26.40, and that gives us a ratio of 71.35. Platinum is up slightly, currently at $1,044.52, and Palladium is made a nice push. It's back over $2,400, currently at $24,0749. Rhodium is steady, currently at $16,100. We have seen some increases in a lot of the base metals. Copper is at $3.53. Nickel is at $7.73. Aluminum has gained a penny at 91 cents. Zinc also up a penny at $1.28, and lead is steady at 89 cents. Barrels of crude oil have made a nice little push over the weekend. We are getting close to $50 a barrel again. It has been since, March or April since we've seen that. Let's see, crude oil, I think it was April. Let's see, when we have the crash, the $0 barrels. Let's see, barrels are currently going for $48.67 a barrel. We had some small, modest gains on Wall Street on Thursday. This week, the Dow Jones is going to be starting off at 30,199.87. The NASDAQ will be starting at 12,804.73. And the S&P 500 is going to be at 3703.06. The U.S. dollar index is trying to rebound. Currently, it is at 90.29. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, great news. We hit another all-time high yesterday. That's right. At, at 6:15 Eastern Standard Time yesterday morning, Sunday morning, we hit an all-time high of 28,387. It has come down somewhat from that high. It is currently at 26,937.25. If you happen to exchange a gold back, though, those are exchanging at $3.27. As I teased at the beginning of the video, we have a survey that we're going to be reviewing that came through Kitco News. I got asked to participate in this survey a few weeks ago, and the survey was asking us to vote on which precious metal we think will perform the best in 2021. The results are in, and Main Street purchasers like us have spoken. Let's go ahead and jump on into this article. It is titled, Silver Price to Shine the Brightest in 2021. Gold is third most popular asset. Oh, well, what came in second? Let's find out, shall we? The silver market is garnering a lot of attention heading into 2021, and according to Main Street retail investors, it is the precious metal they will be keeping an eye on in the new year. Investors have been waiting a long time for silver to finally live up to its reputation and outperform gold. For the fifth consecutive year, retail investors see the gray metal as the top asset in the precious metal sector. This year, 1,015 people participated, including yours truly, in the Kitco News Outlook 2021 online survey. A total of 568 Main Street voters, including yours truly again, or 56% said that they expect silver to fare better than other metals in the year ahead. The bullish outlook for silver as a precious metal has seen a historic rally since falling to $12 an ounce due to financial market turmoil due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Since its lows, silver prices have rallied more than 115%. In comparison, gold prices are up 25% from its March lows of around $1,500 an ounce. Many analysts also see silver outperforming gold prices in 2021. Low interest rates, a weaker U.S. dollar, and rising inflation pressures will drive both gold and silver, which are both seen as monetary metals. However, improving economic activity next year will add another pillar of support to silver. Some analysts see potential for silver prices to retest their all-time highs above $50 an ounce. However, most forecasts call for a more temperate rally, with many seeing the prices pushing above $30 an ounce. Among financial institutions, Canadian bank CIBC could be the most bullish on silver, as they see prices averaging next year around $32 an ounce. Quote, "Even though the commodity has already performed well year to date, this metal has the potential to provide investors with even more torque given the relatively small market with silver versus gold," said Anita Soni, author of CIBC's Precious Metals Outlook. In a surprise twist, investors see copper as the second best performing asset of 2021. According to the survey, 161 voters, or 16%, saw the red metal outperforming next year. Copper's outlook comes as prices continue to hold near their highest levels in 8 years. Analysts note that copper is benefiting from significant supply and demand imbalances. As the global economy starts to recover from the COVID-19 pandemic, many analysts expect copper demand to grow while supply is expected to shrink. Quote, "The COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound impact on all the metals, and as an initial collapse in demand was accompanied by protracted supply disruptions, a combination that ultimately provided strong fundamentals, which we believe will carry over into 2021, said Michael Widmer, commodity analyst at the Bank of America Securities. We expect a global copper market deficit in 2021. This suggests that already low inventories may decline further, so prices are set to remain elevated. Gold prices came in third with 141 participants, or 14%, expecting the yellow metal to be the best performing asset of 2021. Sentiment in the gold market is extremely bullish, with many analysts expecting prices to retest August all-time highs above $2,000 an ounce. Gold is expected to perform well as interest rates are expected to remain low through 2023. At the same time, inflation is expected to pick up as the economy recovery picks up. Platinum came in fourth with 109 voters, or 10% saying that they're bullish on the precious metal. In last place with 37 votes, or 4%, is palladium. Although palladium markets continue to see shrinking supply, however, analysts are slightly bullish on platinum as demand starts to pick up. According to analysts, growing expectations surrounding the green economy and the use of hydrogen power cells is generating a compelling investment story. So there you have it. Those are the precious metals outlooks for 2021 as voted on by regular investors like myself. I did vote for silver, of course, and I do think that silver will definitely outperform gold next year. And of course, we have both here, so we don't want gold to underperform in any way. We still need it to do well. But what do you guys think? I'd be interested to hear what you guys have to say on this topic. Let me know down in the comments. Which of these 5 metals do you think are going to perform best in 2021? I think this will be interesting to hear what you guys have to say. Silver, gold, copper, palladium, and platinum. What do you guys think? Let me know. Be interested to hear what you guys have to say. I do greatly appreciate every single one of you, and if you happen to appreciate old NDXP bullion, please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button for me right there. It helps me out immensely. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when all this latest and greatest content comes out, go ahead and think about hitting that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can stay notified of when this content comes out. Of course, we're going to pop the box up here in the corner. That's the gateway to the back catalog. You can start watching all of my videos at your heart's content at the end of this one. Guys, I've been NDXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.